I want my knives readily accessible when I go to my cutting board, but I am not a fan of having my knives up on the counter, so I've put them in a drawer with this handy knife holder. This thing is fantastic. It has done exactly what I want to do, and it holds all of my knives beautifully. It has this extra long length so I can put long knives in or short knives, and the middle is for a simple sharpener. Now, there's not too much I can say about this. It's bamboo, it's very simple, it's one piece. It has 6 small places on the top and 6 on the bottom with the main sharpener in the middle. So you have room for at least 12 knives. Now, I really like how strong and durable this piece is. And then I could put wet knives into it and it doesn't seem to cause any damage. Now, I wouldn't pour water on here, but a little wetness is not gonna damage the bamboo. We've had this for multiple years and it still looks pretty much brand new. It looks very clean and very, very nice. Now you can see over time it has had some wear where these 2 knives go in, which makes sense because we use these all the time. But that's about it. So if you are looking for a solid, high quality, all natural knife holder, this is it. Solid bamboo, great quality, looks beautiful, keeps your knives at easy access.